Fix File Explorer not highlighting selected files in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Restart File Explorer. Solution 3. Perform a system shutdown. Enter the command shutdown/s/f/t0 and press enter. This will perform a complete system shutdown and may take longer than usual. After restarting the system, launch File Explorer. Try selecting multiple files and check if the highlighting issue still persists. Solution 4. Change background color. Select background and click on Personalize your background. Expand the list and choose the solid color option. Select a solid color from the color picker tiles. Apply the solid color background to the system and exit the Settings app. Launch File Explorer and attempt to select multiple files. Check if the highlighting issue still persists. Solution 5. Turn on high contrast mode. Press left Alt plus left Shift plus print screen keys simultaneously to activate high contrast mode. Solution 6. Uninstall the last Windows update.